2 PCs, 1 desk, 0 hassle. Navceker DP 2.0 KVM Switch explained. You know that syncing moment when your screens glitch mid-task, Windows freeze, cables tangle, and your setup suddenly turns against you? It's the kind of chaos that kills momentum and burns time. If switching between your work PC and gaming rig feels like juggling fire, you're not alone. Ever felt your tools fight your flow? Drop your setup story below. The stress builds when you're racing through projects, swapping HDMI cables, and losing focus between systems. One wrong click, and everything crashes out of sync. Now imagine controlling both computers, both screens, with just one click. Seamless, instant, frustration-free. No rewiring, no chaos, just pure control. Sounds too good? Wait until you see what's hiding inside this box. Meet the Navceker 4K 240Hz dual monitor DP 2.0 KVM switch, the powerhouse that unites 2 computers, 2 monitors, and every essential peripheral in one clean command hub. Designed for creators, traders, gamers, and multitaskers who demand zero lag. It supports 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and 2K at 360 Hz for flawless motion clarity and ultra-crisp visuals. Its DisplayPort 2.0 bandwidth ensures pure signal integrity, no compression, no flicker. The USB 3.0 hub connects your mechanical keyboard, webcam, microphone, SSD, or 3D printer with lightning-fast 5 Gbps per second speed. Switching? Just press the top button or tap a hotkey and watch both monitors transition in sync. With semi-DDM USB passthrough, your custom keyboard macros, RGB controls, and gaming mice stay responsive across systems. Even better, you get stereo audio, TF and SD card readers, and plug-and-play setup that needs no driver or delay. One editor said, "It turned my messy desk into mission control." Keep watching. There's a secret shortcut at the end that'll blow your workflow wide open. The real magic of the Navceker dual monitor KVM isn't just in specs, it's how it feels to use. Gamers call it buttery smooth, traders call it a game saver, and analysts say it solves a modern problem nobody else could. One influencer admitted, "I thought I'd lose frame sync switching mid-match, but this thing didn't blink." The DP 2.0 architecture keeps your 8K streams stable and your 4K 240Hz gaming crisp, even during real-time editing or data-heavy workflows. A reviewer on TechCore Labs wrote, "I could switch between 2 1440p rigs instantly. Zero latency, zero stutter." Another user shared, "My Mac and PC finally coexist peacefully. Same keyboard, same mouse, flawless dual screens." The integrated USB 3.0 hub keeps webcams, microphones, and capture cards always connected, while adaptive ED/ID automatically adjusts resolution per system. No more distorted colors or reconfiguring windows. You just click, and it feels right. The aluminum alloy body keeps it cool under pressure, and the external switch lets you toggle inputs from your seat. Thousands have already streamlined their setups with it. Which feature would transform yours? The instant switching, the dual 8K clarity, or the end of cable chaos? Comment below, we're curious. Here's the move that separates dream setups from tangled ones, taking action now. The Navceker 4K 240Hz DP 2.0 KVM switch bundle is flying off shelves among gamers, engineers, and editors who've had enough of cable clutter. Join thousands who've leveled up their dual monitor workflow today. Don't wait. Click below and unlock an exclusive tip that makes switching between systems even faster. Once you experience it, you'll wonder how you worked without it. Don't just upgrade, dominate your desk.